Okay, shuffle. Are you ready?
You alright?
Yeah. No, I've actually got a really tickly throat. Okay, hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Now today I'm joined with my boyfriend Tom. We are in my student accommodation over in Leeds, and today we're here with a very exciting video, aren't we?
We are.
Because we are about to unbox the iPhone X and the iPhone XS MARK.
It's the 10.
It's the 10. So I have got, well, I would say I have got myself, actually my dad has paid for like some of this phone. I'm not going to take all of the credit.
And I bought mine.
You bought yours yourself, yeah. My dad very kindly is still paying my phone contract while I'm at uni, and then when I get back, like, I will then pay for it. But I have the XS and you have the XS, is it Max or Matte?
Max.
Max, right, okay. But I've been waiting all day for this. Tom went to pick his up, my dad picked mine up in Beverley, and then Tom brought mine to me, and we are here now with our boxes. Do you know how, like...
Hold the boxes, because I want to see the sizes. Not a massive difference in the boxes.
No, there isn't actually. There's not a massive difference in the phone.
No, there isn't really. No, I'm happy I got this one.
Yeah. Do you realise how like white middle class we look right now? Oh my god, we both got the new phone. Basically, the reason for getting these phones, I want to throw this out because I don't want you guys to be like, oh my god, you're so spoiled. Oh my god, what a waste of money. Apple are a con you and all of that stuff. Basically, I dropped my phone in the swimming pool when I was on holiday in Greece, and since then the speakers and the microphone do not work on my phone. So I needed a new phone regardless. I was going to get the 8 and then they launched these and I thought, do you know what, I might as well just get the new one. Tom's phone.
Mine's just been a nightmare for the last year.
And it really had,
and
like...
now the Touch ID just doesn't work, so yeah. So I
phone,
needed an upgrade.
It doesn't work.
So yeah, finally an upgrade.
The moment of truth. Do you know what my favourite part about getting a new phone is?
Well, this bit.
Yeah.
I don't trust that.
No, do you remember that video of the person that got the first like iPhone 7 and she dropped it in its smash?
Did it?
Yeah, do you not remember that video? It went like viral.
We're doing the reveal. His name's Jack.
Oh.
Okay, right. Oh, my box looks tiny next to yours. It's like Christmas Day. Ready? Okay, right. The most satisfying bit about getting an iPhone, in fact I might even do a close-up of this, is peeling off the cellophane. Just for those of you that watch those like satisfying videos, I'm gonna do a close-up. You ready?
I've already, you'll have to do yours.
Tom was an eager beaver and opened his on the train on the way to Leeds, so... Are we ready for this? Are we ready? It's, oh, I love the outside of it, wow, okay. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. It's so satisfying. Yep, so the phone is now here. I'm not gonna lie, this feels so small because the phone I've had was the 7 Plus, so it is too big to be honest.
Luckily, I got the 10S Max, didn't I?
10S Max,
I made
the wise
decision.
I went for the cheap decision.
But we both got the gold, didn't we?
Yeah, we've both gone for the same colour and I'm so happy with it. My previous phone was pink, like rose gold, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to call it pink because it was pink. And yours was gold, but like a different shade of gold, to be fair.
Oh yeah, it's mine. I've got it here. It's so yellowy, my phone. You can see the difference. It's very yellowy.
In fact, as a side-by-side comparison, it doesn't even look like the same colour at all.
No, they're exactly the same size. Thereabouts.
Yeah. Okay, so then in the box...
Actually, this one's a bit thinner.
You see? Yeah. Hopefully we'll be able to talk to each other on the phone now instead of like having to message all the time. So inside the box, you basically get a plug and some headphones, which I'm so grateful for because I lose headphones so easily. Haven't had a
You'll
pair
probably end up with mine.
Probably, yeah. I haven't had a pair of 7 headphones in years. I have to use that stupid little adapter thing because...
Which you don't get the adapter with this one.
The dongle.
You don't get it with this phone.
I thought you didn't get the headphones with the phone.
No.
I read the thing and thought, oh, you don't get the headphones.
The dongle used to be in here. There is no dongle with this one. So if you have aux, then you're screwed.
Right, I'm not going to go on about the inside of the box because you probably don't care. So we are going to get on to setting up the phone, and I'm going to do a mini what is on my iPhone. I'm not going to do it in loads of depth purely because there isn't really anything on my phone. Like, I'm not going to lie, I did a video like this 2 years ago and it hasn't changed. I just have the social media app. I will show you if I can transfer my current phone onto this phone, but if I can't, I'll just show you as we go. So we're going to power them on.
3, 2, 1.
I don't know how you do it. Why isn't it working?
Hey,
there we go.
That took ages.
That did. While it powers on, I'm going to open my phone case. I got a phone case from Tesco, which I absolutely love. Always get a phone case, kids, in case you drop your phone a lot, like me.
My phone case hasn't arrived yet.
Mine is now doing that thing where it says, hola. Let me do a close-up. Yeah, it's doing that thing, so now we need to set it up properly. I actually don't know how you do it. I've never done that myself before, so Tom's going to have to help. So I'm just going to set it up and I'll get back to you and then show you like how it works, that kind of thing. Right, so we're just trying to set the phones up, turn the camera off, and literally there's now this thing where this phone recognised that another phone was within range.
By some like cool blue circle.
Yeah, and then this phone came up with a scan the circle option, so I just held it like that, and now suddenly all of my data from my 7, which is this phone here, is being put onto my new phone. How is that a thing? Like, what? Enter your password of your other iPhone. Oh no, this is where something goes wrong and I don't know my password and I can't lock myself out or something. Currently we're just setting them up, but like, I will get back to you. The heck is happening? I just set up Face ID by going like this, so that it knows all my angles. After about 17 security checks and having to let them know my password to my Mac, I'm now somehow in. It is now setting up my phone. It's very bright. This is all I can see as well, to be honest. Oh, it's the terms and conditions. Oh, we love the terms and conditions. Agree, continue. Now my phone is restoring from my iCloud, so my old phone will now be on here. I don't know if that means that they'll wipe this phone, does that?
No, I'll keep if you got a text from Santander.
Yeah, because I just set up my banking on this one, so Santander are going to be like, fraud!
They're going to be like, what?
Fraud! So I'll get back to you when it's finished restoring, because it's got a long time remaining and it's getting hot. Like, so I now have my phone set up. It looks exactly the same as my other phone, which is amazing. Tom has his set up. Yours looks a lot more like a new phone because you have the... I'm
going to keep the default wallpaper for a little bit. That's no offence to you.
No,
I just think you've got to have the default wallpaper at least for like a week until you get bored of it.
My wallpaper is...
Look at this. It moves. It moves.
Hold on. Guys, comment down below whose wallpaper wins. Tom's?
But it moves.
Or mine. It's mine. It's definitely mine. Mine wins. It's better. Just it does. Look at her. Look at the little puppy.
But it moves.
Something I really do love is that it unlocks your notifications when you look at it.
Yeah, I like that.
I think it's really cool. So, this is the new iPhone. Mine is the XS, yours is the XS MARK. And I'm now going to do a mini what is on my iPhone, because you guys probably clicked on this video for that. So I'm not going to make Tom show all of his iPhone apps and all of that because he probably doesn't want to. But I will show you mine. So, cue that. So, this is my home screen and I'm going to turn the exposure down so you can see it a bit better. This is my puppy, Lottie, if you didn't realise. Okay, so I've unlocked my phone now by looking at it and then I swipe up and it looks like this. We're not going to talk about this page because these apps aren't downloading because currently they're all like in the cloud, but all of these apps are irrelevant. Mainly I just use these ones. So obviously I have the natural selection of apps, but that makes it sound sciencey. So yeah, I've got my messages at the top left, photos, phone, mail, you guys can see, and then the like ones that I've added are sub count, which is my feature that I have. Oh yeah, it's there as a widget on the left when you swipe, so it's struggling to, there we go, that's how many subscribers I'm currently on when I'm uploading this. If you want to subscribe and you're new here, please do down below. Very, very close to 100,000 as you can see. And then I also have my Snapchat best friends as a widget, which I think looks really cool with their little bitmojis. And then I have obviously Snapchat, Twitter, Facebook, and then online banking, and then YouTube Studio, which is where I can see, oh, I have to sign in, but this is like where I can track my analytics for YouTube, that kind of thing. And then down here are my most frequently used, so Google, Gmail, the camera, and Instagram, which I'm also going to have to log into. So far I've only logged back into Twitter. So if you don't follow me on Twitter, my Twitter @ is beauty_spectrum. It's always linked down below. This is what my Twitter looks like. I think it needs a change actually. It looks a bit summery. And I've also logged into Snapchat already. This is me filming this video. Oh hey. But as you can see, the quality of the camera is just like insane. It's so good. And obviously a new thing with this phone is the depth effect. So I've never had that before. Like, I had portrait mode on my old phone, but what I never had before was this bit, which is like the different lighting. So I don't actually really know much about these other than the depth effect is really good and the black and white one looks really good if you get it right. So I'm really excited to give these a go. I expect my Instagram game to be upped because Tom just took some photos and they look insane already. Something that's weird is the lack of home screen, like not home screen, sorry, home button here. It feels like I should be clicking it. And then on here, on my second screen, this is pretty boring. I do just have some folders. So I have like a photo and a video editing apps. So in here I've got like 21 buttons, Huji, reward style, that kind of thing. My travel one is probably my most frequently used folder. So I use Trainline and Uber and the bus app constantly. And now that I'm living in Leeds, I'm also using Uber Eats a lot, and Wetherspoons is obviously a go-to. If you guys don't have the Wetherspoons app, you're missing out. And then my entertainment app is, I keep calling them apps, folder, entertainment folder. I have ITV Hub, Netflix, and Words with Friends, because me and Tom play Words with Friends, don't we, Tom?
We do.
Because we're secretly grandmas.
We are grandmas.
But you know, I love it. And then I also have Wow Brows, which is an app by Benefit, and it makes like it's so much easier to book an appointment to like go and get your eyebrows done and stuff. So I love this app. And yeah, and then this photo here is of Tom looking all posy when we were on holiday in Lanzarote. I don't really know what else I can show you other than what's on my phone, like generally, which is pretty boring. I've done one before. This app is great if you're a student like me and you want to be looking at where has gigs on and where has events on. Fatsoma is the one. It's so good. And obviously Spotify, the new audio on this phone is meant to be amazing. So annoying that I have to log into all of these apps again, but you know what, beggars cannot be choosers, and I'm not begging at all because I know I'm so grateful to have this phone. I also really love the phone case. If you're wondering where it's actually from Tesco. I got it for £5 from Tesco, and it is an iPhone X case because it is the same size. So if you're wanting to buy a case for this phone and you're thinking, oh, they're not out yet, they actually are, because the X's cases fit this phone. Tom's had to wait for his to be delivered because his is like a new dimension, but mine is not. Oh look, see, this is what I mean, notification, and then it says from Eve Bennett, so like it locked and then it didn't lock. Oh, it's so cool. This right here is a moment of pure appreciation for my puppy. Just look at her, what a little beauty she is. Okay, so that is pretty much it, isn't it? We're both very lucky, and we're so aware that we are so grateful to be in a situation where we can afford a new phone, and it's definitely going to make me being in Leeds easier, because FaceTime on our old phones just didn't work.
Should we try that? I feel like we should.
Should we FaceTime each other while we're sat in the same room?
Yeah, see if it works.
Can you please not rub your sweaty feet on me? I can smell your feet, I don't want it rubbing on me. But yeah, we are actually now going to go out for food because it is 8:20 and we haven't gone for tea yet. So we're going to go and do that. But I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please give it a huge thumbs up, and please do subscribe down below, because as this video goes up, I am just over 1,000 subscribers away from 100k. Like 100k, and I want to be with Tom when I hit it, and Tom's leaving tomorrow, so please subscribe. Not that I'm begging or anything, but they should, shouldn't they?
Yeah, and I've got a present for her which she can't have if I'm not here, so make sure it's tomorrow or Sunday, please.
Exactly.
Tomorrow.
Exactly.
It's
so
doable.
yeah,
it's definitely doable.
It is doable, and I believe in you guys. Also spread the message on Twitter and stuff. You've been doing so good this last week, like promoting me.
Hashtag get Molly to 100k.
But yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you want to see me using my phone, I'm sure I'll be talking about it in my vlogs and stuff. But other than that, I will be back tomorrow or Tuesday, I'm not too sure yet, either tomorrow or Tuesday, with a brand new video, university themed of course, and I will see you all then. Bye! Food?
Food.
I'm feeling a lasagna.
Burger.
Lasagna?
Burger.
Lasagna?
I'm having a burger.
Well, I'm having a lasagna.